Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wan Chi here. So today I'll be going through one of my last project that I've done previously, and it's actually more on like this might be useful for those who have a situation where we have a monthly report that we want to send out to the respective department. And what we are doing basically is that we have this dashboard ready. And whenever there's a new month coming in, we will have to go to these data sources, open it up, and then copy the Excel file and then paste it into this dashboard or the data sources that we have. So actually the solution that we have right now is to automate this process where the user do not have to manually copy the data, and it will automatically update the dashboard that we have existingly. So let's go into it today. So right now, let's go to this. We actually have this marker already written out. So now we will just go deep dive into it to understand each of the component and see how you can customize it according to your preference. So I will just open up the Basic Editor, alternate F11, and split the screen. All right. So this is actually a very short macro that I have written. And so basically what we what this actually offers is that it offers the user the flexibility to select the data that they want to import it. So now we will just enter F8 and step in to see how this goes on. So you can see that we actually have some comments over here, and it can multi-select the files. So this will actually open up this file explorer. Then I'll just go to my file, just copy the folder path, and then I want to import the October and November data set. You can multi-select it because this is the macro that I have written to allow the user to multi-select. Then I'll just open. Then probably I'll just put a F9 over here so that it doesn't run off the entire code. So now this one actually I am using array because it actually offers more flexibility, and the macro will have more run faster as well compared to the usual workbook macro that we using to open this workbook. So now you'll just open it up, then it will use this array to copy the entire worksheet and then put it in the data source that we have. So this actually useful provided that the data structure is the same as the data source. So now moving on to the second file, open up the second one, which is the November data. Then going through again, copy it, and then you can see that if we go to the bottom, there you go. Okay, so now we can just close it. Then, so for this, because we are working in the Excel environment, so we will have some blank rows. So that this is actually just to do some error handling to remove the blank rows. Then unfilter it and remove those two blank rows, and that's actually it. And before we just to avoid the another step to refresh the pivot table or the graphs by ourselves, what we will do, this macro will do is that it will go to this pivot worksheet and then refresh all the pivot tables that we have. And then if we go back to the dashboard, then you can see that it's updated. So just now previously we did not have this October and November, and right now we do have this. So because once we imported and we went to the pivot worksheet to refresh it, and then all of this will be refreshed according to the latest data source that we have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short but useful tutorial on how to automate the copying process from one notebook to another. So if you guys like this, you can download the workbook in your own desktop. Then just try out this macro and see how you can customize it based on your preference. So I'll see you in the next video.